SMCI stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. First and foremost, the thing that I must say is that even today 8% increases are quite sick. Like, generally speaking, this is how my chart's looking like, and I've had so many auto receipts on SMCI, it's crazy. But generally speaking, you can see that as it came down inside my demand zone, the only thing that I'm like really looking to do further higher from here is if it pulls down deeper, then it shows me a shift. If it does not, then there's just no reason and no way for me to just buying like crazy, right? So it definitely came down, but the double break has only been met here, and this is not enough space for me to trade. So guess what I did? Definitely didn't get involved. Now, you must say, but you're missing out. It's already going up, man. Like, what the hell's going on with you? I get it, but not every trade's supposed to be traded, right? For example, like in this case, me. There's abundance of opportunities in the market. Just trying to force SMCI movements would just doesn't give it up for me. Like, just recently I got a +4R, but yeah, unless the rules are met, still not gonna buy. I want to see a little pull down and whatnot. But if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.